taking over your profile. Well, sometimes with weight gain, age, or just genetics, you can see a double chin growing. You try everything to get rid of it, and still it hangs onto your face. It changes your entire appearance, makes you look a little older and sometimes just uncomfortable. Well, here to get rid of our double chin and make it single again is Becky Vanicelli, a registered nurse and owner of Ageless Expressions Med Spa. That's just the one thing. It doesn't matter how skinny you are sometimes. That might still be there under your chin. Explain Kybella.
Well, Kybella it's deoxycholic acid, which is a natural substance that's in our body, and what it does is it destroys fat cells. And you can see the progression of this woman who had received a few treatments. So what we do is we make multiple little injections underneath your chin, and that destroys those fat cells, and your body just naturally flushes it out. The great thing about Kybella is it flushes those fat cells out for the first 12 weeks, and then for the next 12 weeks, you get a tightening effect. So it's like a twofer.
Oh, wow.
And what we do at Ageless Expressions Med Spa is we combine it with a fractional CO2 ablative laser for underneath the chin and the whole neck area. So what you get is a tightening effect for the whole neck. So you're going to get that sculpted chin look and get rid of that double chin.
Now, is this for men as well?
It is. We do a great job. Yes. It is for men as well. We see multiple men, multiple women. We treat several people a week, and we get great results just combining those two.
The two processes.
Exactly.
Absolutely.
Kybella along with the CO2. The procedure takes less than 10 minutes to complete.
Okay.
It's very quick, minimal downtime. You might have, there's an incidence of swelling and bruising, but it's very temporary. And you're just going to gradually get that thinner, more contoured appearance.
You know, for men too, that's something that is also a sense of pride, you know,
Right.
having that strong jawline as we always describe.
Exactly.
What a neat thing then for them as well that does not involve surgery.
It's just fantastic. And you know, the results, we treat till you're happy. Clinically, it takes up to 6 treatments. I don't see any improvement past 3, so typically I won't do more than 3. Most people don't need 3 to get the results that they're looking for.
So then how long does that last?
Oh, it's permanent. It kills those fat cells and your body flushes it out. The tightening effect from the laser, you might want to touch up every couple of years or so, but we get fantastic results. And, you know, it's not going to make you 30 years younger, but it is going to make you the best that you can be, and it is going to help bring that chin and that nice neck out.
That is, okay, so have you done this?
Oh, of course I've done it.
You do everything.
I do everything.
I love it.
I was on TV the day after I did it the last time, and I just didn't like, I had these little jaw things going that you get with age. You know, for me it was an age thing. And then underneath here, I was just starting to get that double chin. So I didn't like it. I get rid of it.
But see, I think this is important, because if you're out there and you're worried about something like this and you're thinking, this is something I really want to get rid of, but I want to go to someone who not only does this, but does it well enough that she'll do it to herself and get these wonderful results.
Exactly. We do it. We do a lot of it. We do it very well.
Yes.
Great results.
Well, that, of course, is what sets you apart from a lot of people who do use Kybella, correct? Because that's what you want to be looking for if you want to do this
someone with experience, and also the combined effect is where we get the best results.
So tell us a little bit more about the fractional CO2 then, and how that works, how it helps and enhances it.
What that does is a fractional CO2 is going to help make that skin younger. It's going to help tighten up that skin, pull up that jaw. We can do a little bit of a tuck to help give you a little bit of a neck lift with just that few-minute CO2 treatment.
And that's all it takes? That's all it takes. And you found the perfect combination for something like that.
We have great results. We do. It works well.
When you see these before and afters, it is something that you sit there and you're thinking, that was all done without surgery, without downtime,
without any significant downtime. It can take years off of your appearance. It can take pounds off of how much you weigh, how much it appears that you weigh. You know, it's amazing the results and the difference it makes. And you know, this woman, it was multiple treatments, but what a significant difference. It just gives her confidence and strength.
Well, and we've also talked before about the fact that different parts of your body, because of age and all of that, will collect more fat or just become different regardless of how much you diet and exercise.
Exactly.
And
so we can target that area. Kybella is FDA cleared to treat just this area, but off-label, it's used frequently. I've had a lot of trainings from plastic surgeons where we can do it off-label. We can get the jowls. I've done a great job with women that have had liposuction and have unevenness. We can target those areas. The bra fat here, we can target those areas and safely help remove, without surgery, without anesthesia, without downtime, those pockets of fat that are nearly impossible to get rid of any other means.
Well, and all those things that you talked about in terms of surgery and anesthesia, many times those come with some complications if you're not careful, and that's all a risk you take when you go that route. Here, you're not even entering in to the realm of those types of things.
Not those, but there are risks involved. But you need to go to a practitioner that's very experienced, very qualified.
And you're the girl.
We know the areas we can touch.
Absolutely.
And we do.
And you are the girl to go to for this type of thing. Book your appointment today, and you can save $500 on the Kybella treatment and fractional CO2 laser. The number 303-872-5111, or just go ahead and visit agelessexpressionsmedspa.com. They have 2 locations, downtown Golden and Littleton. Ageless Expressions Med Spa paid for today's segment.